Hello everyone. The day-to-day life of programmers demands working a lot with terminal or command line, especially when working on Linux environments. Creating new Angular projects, npm commands, VPN connections, Docker containers, all require a lot of terminal windows to be open all at once. One such utility which promises to simplify handling multiple terminals is Terminator. In this short video, we'll see how to set up Terminator and use some of its popular features. For that, I'll head over to this genome Terminator blog. It gives you a glimpse of what Terminator looks like. We'll head over straight to the installation instructions. We'll run these installation instructions one by one in our current terminal. I'll now run the second command. Just sudo apt update, sudo apt get update. Then we'll finally install the Terminator program. Our installation is done, and let's launch the program. There it is. I'll add it to the favorites. Initially, when it launches, it looks just like the existing terminal window, but then it has a lot to offer. First of all, we can just do a blank right click and split the terminal into horizontal or vertical sections. Let's say we do a vertical split. We can add as many as we want. I'll keep 4 terminal windows. To process this layout, I'll need to save this. For that, I do a right click, go to preferences, in layout, and then click on this add. Just give your new layout a name, and that's it. Sometimes clicking on save doesn't actually save it. That's a bit of a glitch. Just give the name and exit this preferences window. Next time when you launch Terminator, you'll initially get this default layout, but then you can do Alt and L, that's alternate and L key, and then select the layout that you want. Let's launch it again. We can also use the keyboard shortcuts, that is Ctrl+Shift+E to vertically split the screen and Ctrl+Shift+O to horizontally split the screen. We notice one thing, that the layout that we saved is not yet the default layout. So what we can do, again, a small hack is required to make that as the default layout. It's not easily available in the configurations. We'll modify a file, the configuration file in the .config folder. In the layout section in this file, we notice that there is a default layout and then there's a layout one which we created. What we can do is clear or delete the default layout and rename our preferred layout as the default, and save this document and save this configuration file. Now whenever we launch Terminator, it will always open the layout that we saved. I'll give the keyboard some of the more keyboard shortcuts in the description, so check those out. The best thing about Terminator is that it allows us to run multiple commands all at once, and we can see the results without switching over the tabs. We can be running or installing something or doing a sudo apt update in this window. We can also shift between the active window using the keyboard shortcut, which is Alt and the direction key. So if I'm working on one and I need to shift over to the other, I can do Alt and the direction key. I'll mention this keyboard shortcut also in the description. That's it for now. This was a small utility Terminator for those working on Linux or other Unix-based systems or other Linux distros. It really helps in easing out handling multiple terminal windows. Some more options, you can go to preferences and play with the profiles, how much scrolling you want. This, you can make it infinite scroll back. This is really helpful when you have the windows open for very long times. It really helps with the reading the entire trail of whatever your terminal is outputting, and a host of other colors and backgrounds which you can play around with. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Manish saying bye for now. Click like if you like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos coming soon. Thank you.